I'm really excited about showing you this video. Last week I built one of the most beautiful websites I've ever built, and today I'm going to show you it and how I built it and why I think this is so profound for the future of WordPress. But first, here's the website. Here are some of the things I really love about this website. The first one is when I hover over each of these panels, can you see how the background image is changing? But also we get these subtle little animations that are happening down here for the panel titles. Next one, if I click on menu here, can you see how it doesn't just open the menu, it actually pushes the content, the canvas all the way over to the right. I really love that. We also have light and dark mode. So if I click on that little moon icon down there, we can change between light and dark. Let me take you into each of these sections. If I click on journal, this is actually pulling content dynamically from my WordPress website. So when I post a photo on my site, it adds it to this journal. Really beautiful. If I click on these, we get these fantastic light boxes, which I've hand designed. And it's incredibly quick. Look how fast this is to click through. It's just razor fast. Let me take you into a few more sections here. We also have iPhone. This is where I upload photos of little iPhone sketches that I've done on my phone. And all I did, I told the AI, and I'm going to show you which AI I used to build this, to put these photos in an iPhone frame, and it did it for me. I didn't have to design these. I literally just told the AI what I wanted. We also have a photos page, which again has these beautiful light boxes, and you can see how quick they are. This is handcrafted, this one, it's not dynamic. And then we have a paintings page, and it also works beautifully on mobile, as you can see up on the screen. And the really crazy thing is the entire website only took me about 2 hours to make, and I built it using AI, a tool called Lovable.dev. And essentially I use WordPress for the content management system. So I'm still using WordPress to manage my content and to send content to, but I designed the entire front end using Lovable, just chatting to AI. And the way this works is essentially you have two websites. And sometimes you'll see this referred to as headless WordPress, which can get a bit techie, but actually this makes it incredibly simple. So you have one website which is running your WordPress site where you manage your content. In my case, I've got a website, and it could be a subdomain or it could be a completely different domain. It's really up to you. And then you have the front end, which you designed fully using the AI. And AI, here's the key bit, AI is incredibly good at building front end applications and websites. So it's incredibly freeing because if you can think it, you can probably tell AI what to design and it can probably build it out for you. So decoupling WordPress from the front end experience gives you almost complete creative freedom. If you would like a full step-by-step tutorial on how I did this, drop a like or comment below and I'll put something together. But this is essentially Lovable.dev, and you can see my full chat history here. So you basically talk to the AI over here on the left and it gives you a preview over on the right. I've also got over on the far right GitHub for any developers watching, because you can integrate Lovable now. So if you make an update in Lovable, you can automatically update your website, but also have it pushed to GitHub. And obviously you can create branches on GitHub, so you could have like staging websites and all that kind of good stuff. Let me just show you this in practice. So I'm going to say at the moment when I hover over travels here, this panel, I don't have an image. So I'm just going to go down here and ask Lovable, say, when I hover over travels, and I don't have to worry about spelling, show this image. And I've just got this image, which I've already uploaded. And let's see what happens. Let's see if Lovable can actually do it. So it should show me a preview, push it to my live website, and also update GitHub all in an instant. Here we go. Let's see what's happening. I'll update the image that appears when hovering over travels panel to show the requested image. And see the preview. The preview is working. There's my new image. Let's go and check out my website now and see if that new image is showing. And there we go, there's the new image. And let's just refresh GitHub over here on the right. And we should see in here that we've had an update, which was in this folder here, which is essentially where my images are. And it's updated GitHub automatically as well. In Lovable as well, we've got our chat here, but we also have a full history, which is great. This is what some other tools don't have, where you can actually see the updates you've made. And if you want to revert back to those, you just click on them. And then you can go down here and restore this version. So you've got multiple places where you can actually control your workflow management. I just want to show you this because I think this is a really good example of how profoundly clever this stuff is. So I basically asked the AI, can you make it accessibly friendly? And it did it. It said, I'll enhance the website's accessibility by adding proper labels, proper semantic HTML. And these are all the things it did. Added semantic HTML elements, main aside, header nav article, added all the labels, added proper keyboard navigation, and on and on and on and on and on. 10 points. I didn't have to do anything. Literally, I just gave it one command, which was make my website accessibly friendly. And you can think about this. This is like incredibly profound that you can just talk to the AI and get it to do the things you want it to do. And that is just one instance. So part of my brain is thinking this could definitely be one future of WordPress. Not for every single website, obviously, but for certain websites, I think this is a great fit, where you combine the great power of WordPress, so the content management stuff, and the plugin ecosystem, the fact that you can tap into 60,000 plugins, and also this front-end AI designer, where you can design with AI, and also you can create these beautiful app-like experiences on the front end. So go and check out my website at jamiemarsland.com and you can experience for yourselves the beauty that AI can now build. It's pretty astonishing. And if you do want a step-by-step tutorial, then hit the like button and also drop a comment and let me know, and I'll put one together for you. And if you enjoyed this video, if you can hit the like button, that would be amazing, because it does make a huge, huge, huge difference in terms of how many people actually get to see this video. It really, really, really does. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more explorations around WordPress and AI and the intersection of those two things, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.